Bar Lubin, the scoring machine known as Rain or Shine, has been limited to 33 points. Ang problema para sa hot shots, less than 3 pa lang ang nai-score nila. 33-30 ang nasa ating talaan. Far cry, yung 33 points na yan, on pace dito sa pinapakita ng Rain or Shine the last 4 games.
Well, that's right. And in this particular quarter, hindi pa nga nakakalaro si James Yap. Now he's finally in. PJ Simon, he's finally back in. Jody Van, so this starting group nucleus is back on the floor along with Mark Baroka.
Devans kicks it over to Baroka. 3 to shoot. Deep position para dito kay Mark Mintis Almazan. Pupukol papunta kay Lee. Ball on the attack. All of a sudden, wide open. Paul Lee makes a pay.
Lapse in the defense that time. Coach Kid Cone not very happy with that sequence.
And points in the game for the leading scorer of Rain or Shine. Simon, siya naman ang leading scorer para sa Purefoods Star Hotshots.
You notice pagpasok ni PJ Simon kagad. Binalik ni Coach Yang Giao si Jericho Cruz, siya ang primary defender ni PJ.
Look at Purefoods locate Baroka on that baseline. Beautiful touch passing, Kinito.
You know, hinahanap natin for Purefoods. We didn't see that in the previous plays. Too much one-on-one. Now they have much better ball movement and rotation. Nakahanap sila ng open shot.
Oh, big follow attempt to Jaire is cleaned up by Almazan, and that'll do it for the first half of action.
Second chance point scored by Rain and Shine. One of the points we talked about, Purefoods giving up too many second chance points in this conference. And Raymond Almazan made them pay.
Ito nga, no? Unang follow-up.
Dalawa yun, ha? Dalawang offensive rebound.
Almazan, just in the nick of time, gets that basket to push their lead up to 6, 38-32. That'll do it for the first half of action.